Welcome to my channel Kitties Sign In. Hello kids! Today we will learn about domestic animals. Do you know what are domestic animals? Domestic animals are those animals that depend on humans for its shelter, food, water and general care. Here in this video, I am showing you some domestic animals with their pictures. So, let's learn. Do you know this animal? This is buffalo. Do you recognize this animal? This is a cat. Can you name this animal? This is cow. What animal is this? This is camel. Do you know this animal? This is deer. Can you recognize this animal? This is dog. What animal is this? This is donkey. Can you name this animal? This is duck. Do you know the name of this animal? This is goat. Can you name this animal? This is guinea pig. Do you recognize this animal? This is horse. What animal is this? This is hen. Can you identify this animal? This is llama. What animal is this? This is monkey. Can you name this animal? This is ox. Do you know this animal? This is pig. Do you know this animal? This is rabbit. Can you identify this animal? This is rat. What animal is this? This is reindeer. Do you recognize this animal? This is rooster. What animal this is? This is sheep. Can you name this animal? This is squirrel. Do you know this animal? This is yak. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.